You're completely relaxed, safe, at home, and then suddenly, something drops. A door slams, a car backfires outside, and in a single instant, your heart is pounding, your body is flooded with adrenaline, your muscles are tense, ready to fight, ready to run, from absolutely nothing. This is called the acoustic startle response, and it is one of the fastest reactions your body is capable of. Here is what happens. Sound travels to your brain in two pathways. The slow path, through your thinking brain, which takes time to process, and the fast path, directly to your amygdala, the brain's alarm system. The fast path wins every time. Your body reacts before your brain even understands what it heard. In less than 1/10 of a second, your entire nervous system is on high alert. This system saved your ancestors from predators, from falling rocks, from ambushes in the dark. Today, it saves you from nothing, but it doesn't know that. It is still running the same program it has always run. Your body wasn't overreacting. It was doing exactly what it was built to do. Follow COGNIVEIL. Your mind is deeper than you think.